Okay, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. I make videos on how to use DaVinci Resolve. With this new channel, I've been kind of leaning towards the beginners. I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like and a subscribe to the channel. It's going to help the channel grow so I can continue to make videos. Today we're going to create a hologram. And what we're going to do, I have a video here that I just got off of Pexels. That's going to be our background. And I have another video here that I created on the phone. Let me unlink these and get rid of this backspace. So what I did was, on my phone, I just went to the Zillow website. I have an Android. I'm an Android guy. There's a built-in screen recorder. I'm sure iPhone has the same thing. If you don't know how to access them on either phone, Google it. And then just go to any web page you want, Facebook, anything. This is Zillow. Just scroll and record it. And then stop recording. And then transfer that file to your computer. If you don't know how to do that or have software for that, it's very easy to upload videos from your phone to YouTube. Just upload it to YouTube. Go to your computer. Go to a website to download YouTube videos and download that video you created. So that's what we need. We need these two videos. So what I'm going to do is click on this one I named Zillow, because that's what it is. It's a Zillow website. So we're just going to kind of reposition this, make it a little smaller. We're going to move it over a little bit just to get started, like so. We're going to go into the Fusion page and we're going to adjust it more. So now you're going to highlight these two videos. You're going to right click. You're going to do New Fusion Clip. That's going to combine them. Now we're going to click on our Fusion tab and jump over into the Fusion page. I'm going to move this media out over. I'm going to highlight these two merge nodes and move them over so we have a little room to work. Excuse me. Now I'm going to put this on two viewers. I'm going to click on this one. And this little circle here, I'm going to click the left one so I can see what one this is. So I know it's the background. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit F2 on the keyboard. And I'm just going to put BG for background. Then this one, I'll highlight it. F2, I'm going to name it Hologram, because we know that's our hologram. And we can test that by turning this one off, putting the left one in there. We know it's our hologram. Okay, now I'm going to put this back to one viewer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our hologram node. We're going to hit Shift Space Bar and we're going to type in brightness. And that's what we want right there. We're going to click on that to highlight it. We're going to go up here, we're going to click our alpha channel, and this gain, we're going to bring that down. It's like an opacity. We're going to bring it down, for this case, to about here. If you got a really busy background, you don't want to go down too much because it'll get confusing with the stuff behind it. So I'm going to set this one to about right here. You just play with it, and if you think it looks right, you put it there. So now we're going to click this brightness node. We're going to hit Shift Space Bar again. This type DVE. So we're going to add that. We're going to highlight that. Now what that does, it allows us to move this like so, our Y, our Z. We can move it however we want. I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to move the Y. I'm going to make it at about an angle like that. Maybe move it over just a hair. So whatever background you have, you position that to how you think it should look. So now we're going to hit our DVE. We're going to hit Shift Space Bar again. This time we're going to type in shadow. And we want the SH, not the drop shadow. We want that SH. We're going to add that. And what we're going to do here, we're going to go to softness. And we're going to bump that up, and you can see that shadow it's creating. So I'm going to go to, I don't want it way out here. I'm going to go to about there. Then I'm also going to click on the color, and I'm going to change it to this teal color. Now if you want the hex number, it's 00 and 4 Fs. That'll give you this teal color. Now from there, we're going to click on our shadow. We're going to hit Shift Space Bar again. This time we're going to type in glow. And we want this one that says GLO. That's the one we want. We're going to add that, and you can see the glow it put on there. That's a little too strong, so we're going to bring that down. I'm going to bring it to about, right about there. Maybe bring down the glow size just a little. You can see what that does. I'm going to bring it down just a hair, like so. Now what that does, if we take our playhead and move it ahead, we can see that it's scrolling and it's floating in the air like a hologram. When this plays through, it's going to scroll. When I recorded this, I scrolled through it as I was recording it. We'll bring our playhead back to the beginning. We're going to do one last thing. We're going to click on our hologram node, and we're going to add a rectangle, which is a mask. And we're going to shrink that mask up. We want to bring it over the hologram node, and we're going to bring it like so. I'm going to turn it so that bottom is at the same angle as the bottom of our video. That's pretty close. We want it to cover the whole thing. Now you want to get this pretty much centered because we're going to make it open and close. You'll see in a minute. We can probably bring this in a little bit. You know, I guess that's pretty good right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to about the 7th frame or so, 7th, 8th frame, somewhere in there. I'm going to come over to height. We're fully extended now. I'm going to come over to height. I'm going to set a keyframe. Then I'm going to bring my playhead back to the very beginning. I'm going to take that height slider and go right down to 0. So now we play that back. It's going to open like that. And then it's going to start to scroll. One more time. We'll bring the playhead back to here. We'll hit play. It opens up and it starts to scroll. That's our effect. We'll stop that. We'll jump back over here into the edit page. We'll hit home to bring our playhead to the beginning. We'll hit space bar to play. And you can see now we have our floating hologram. One more time to watch it open. And it starts to scroll. That's our floating hologram. Pretty simple, guys. Fusion isn't that hard. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.